Hey, my name is Joe Conrad, and I am our reel design engineer here at Sage. Today, I'm very excited to talk to you about a new evolution in our reel design that blends traditional values of SPEY fishing with the technical performance anglers have come to trust from Sage, the SPEY Reel. Angling for anadromous species is a dynamic balance of preparation and faith. In any given day on the water, or at any given moment, either element may prove more important than the other. While in focused pursuit, the angler employs their tackle to the best of their abilities, and when doing so, they demand consistency, reliability, and ease of use. Among all their tools of choice, these criteria are most applicable to the fly reel. A great SPEY reel satisfies these plus a wide variety of other specific requirements, from precise outgoing drag to comfortable balance with the rod and effective line management. Lastly, but not to be discounted, is its ability to captivate and inspire confidence. Sage's new SPEY reels are designed specifically for the anadromous angler, providing an ideal mix of enhanced modern performance and refined traditional design. Internally, SPEY reels utilize a newly designed sealed carbon fiber disc and dual clicker drag system that ensures dependability, eliminates unwarranted spool rotation, and sounds fantastic. Mass and balance were given equally high attention in our design process as we updated model sizing to better align with matching SPEY rods. We also adjusted the location of the reel foot to provide uniform axial balance with the rod. A full frame design eliminates the possibility of shooting lines slipping between spool and frame, and the addition of a machined radius around the reel foot makes for comfortable wrapping of a leader, tip, or tippet. So diving into the drag system, SPEY reels are built on the foundation of our long-standing sealed carbon system drag and improved upon with two key evolutions: newly formulated seals and custom dual clickers. The drag system is sealed by our new and proprietary O-rings designed to withstand greater amounts of compression to ensure a stronger seal while at the same time resisting wear and fatigue. We also implemented a new clicker system, adding a second pawl. In addition to increased sound amplification and improved durability, the dual clicker design also limits free spool rotation, so casting distance isn't inadvertently decreased while fishing. The SPEY reel's One Revolution drag knob has 20 numbered detent settings along with half detents, allowing for precise, consistent, and reliable drag settings that can be returned to over and over again. Retrieval direction can also be changed easily with a flip of the clutch bearing. Looking at structural performance, the frame and spool design of the SPEY reels focus on the system's balance as a whole and also the unique lines and riggings used in two-handed casting and fishing. The location and amount of the reel's porting is strategic, resulting in an overall weight that is appropriate for longer SPEY rods. Additionally, we offset the location of the reel foot from an exact center position to better align with the center of mass of the reels themselves. In the machining of the reel foot, we included radiused edges. This prevents any kinking, memory, or compromising of the SPEY leader, tip, or tippet. Our spool design features a ported large arbor with adequate width to accommodate larger diameter SPEY lines. It includes full frame line guards to eliminate any chance of shooting line migration, and has a wide palming rim to allow for additional control while fighting fish. A great SPEY reel not only performs with consistent and reliable precision, but cosmetically reflects the deep-rooted tradition of two-handed fishing. The SPEY reel aesthetic is a combination of influences from the past and present, giving a nod to SPEY traditions and innovations of our own making, as well as those from the greater anadromous angling community. The reel's porting and laser engravings call to mind classical designs, while the depth and layers of the frame and spool have never been seen before. The colors were developed to be alluring but modest, and the anodized finishes add character while also providing corrosion resistance and surface protection. Of special note is the granite colorway, which perfectly complements the new Sage SPEY R8 rods. In addition to the attention given to the drag, frame, spool, and aesthetic of the new SPEY reel, we also spent considerable time calibrating the dimensions and scale of each model in the family. To match the wide range of rods used by SPEY anglers around the globe, we landed on 3 distinct sizes: 5/6/7, 6/7/8, and 8/9/10, which also correspond with the most common types of SPEY applications. Each model aligns with the physical rod weights for its given range and provides the appropriate line capacity. SPEY anglers targeting summer run steelhead, fishing with shorter and lighter rods, or those interested in building the lightest weight system possible, will find the 5-6-7 reel size to be their best match. This model is the smallest in the family, but is still able to accommodate larger diameter Skagit and Scandi style lines. For anglers who pursue steelhead and salmon in multiple seasons across a variety of water, the 6-7-8 size is the most versatile and matches the widest variety of SPEY rods and applications. This model has a large line capacity, a powerful drag, and enough mass to balance rods up to 13.5 feet. When targeting the largest and strongest anadromous fish on the biggest rivers, drag strength and adequate line capacity become increasingly important. The 8, 9, 10 size of the SPEY reel is the best for SPEY anglers in pursuit of Atlantic and Chinook salmon, as well as those casting long belly SPEY lines on 14 and 15-foot rods. Our new SPEY reels are the result of 40 years designing and manufacturing fly reels, combined with our enduring passions for SPEY fishing and anadromous species. During that period, we've watched and driven innovation in the SPEY world through material advancements, rod and line development, evolutions in fishing and casting techniques, and the discovery of new swung fly fisheries. As a result of all those years of experience and collective understanding, we've determined the very specific demands that modern SPEY anglers place on their reels. We've taken this information and applied it to the new SPEY reels. From all of us at Sage, we are extremely proud to introduce this new reel family to you. Be sure to pay your local fly shop a visit to learn more and check them out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the water.